Today I'm going to introduce you why Adobe XD is so popular among user interface designers, UI designers, and user experience designers. There are several things, or you can say features, that should be present in any kind of design tool to make it perfect for user experience designers and UI designers. Now, the first feature is that it should generate prototype or UI design or screen of any app quickly, so we can build swiftly in it, we can design swiftly. It should not take like whole day to create 5 or 6 screens of an app. Okay, so this is one thing. Second thing is that we can easily share it, and we can easily test it with users. That is also, you can build a quick prototype, dummy prototype of your product to test it with your users swiftly. So if you are testing with a user and showing him or her your first idea of your app, and he doesn't like something, or he says that this is not what I want, you can instantly change it in Adobe XD and generate another prototype right away and show it that do you really want this one. Okay, so this is another feature. Third feature which they really introduced right now is for developers. What developers need is they actually need specifications, colors, the codes of colors in HSL values or RGB values, or sometimes some other value, RGBA alpha value. Okay, so they are more interested in the specifications, that what colors we need to use in our this theme of this app or website, and what are different specifications that are related to it. Okay, so these are recently introduced in Adobe XD, which is that you can extract your generate your elements, your design specifications, that this element is this much far away from this button. Okay, you can generate it in within inspect element, which is, I think, their feature, Adobe's feature in beta version right now. Also, they have recently introduced that you can export your Adobe XD designs into Zeplin, which is another tool for creating design specifications and coded elements of your design. And then also they have introduced that you can export your layers into Avocode. Okay, and also there is one more, I think, Protopie, to create animations of your prototype, more detailed animations or micro animations. Okay, so this is all about this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed my this introduction of Adobe XD and what you can do with it and why it is getting popular among other tools. Because there is one more reason: its file size is really small. I think it is even smaller than Sketch. If you know Sketch app, it is smaller than Sketch. Okay, so it is developing at a fast and pace, and a lot of features are added every month in it. So I really advise that if you are UI designer or into some UX design field, you should really learn how to mingle with this Adobe XD software. Okay, it is really cool, lightweight, and I hope you will love it too. Okay, see you soon in another lesson.